Today we will unlock the magic behind these two powerful tools of mathematics. I hope you will never forget these concepts again. Hi, in this video we are going to discuss LCM, lowest common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. LCM tells us when things meet together, and HCF tells us how things can be divided fairly. LCM is the smallest number that is the multiple of each number. For example, someone says, find the LCM of 12 and 18. It means he is asking from us to find the lowest common number in the table of 12 and 18. So, as we know the tables of 12 and 18, by finding out the lowest common number in both tables, we can simply find out the LCM of these numbers. As these are the tables of 12 and 18, here we see that this is the number, which is the 36. This is the lowest common number in both tables. So this is the LCM of 12 and 18. And there is another way through which we can also find out the LCM of any numbers. For example, we are going to find out again the LCM of 12 and 18. Simply by dividing, we can find out the LCM, and by dividing we reach to the number 1. And after that we multiply all these numbers, we divide 12 and 18, and we find out the LCM, which is 36. Now let us discuss what's the significance or applications of LCM. LCM tells the common time when events happen together. For example, there is a traffic light A which turns red after 40 seconds. And there is another traffic light B which turns green after 50 seconds. Now we want to find the time after how much time the both light will turn on. For this we have to find the LCM, which is 200. So after 200 seconds the both light will turn on together. So in this way LCM tells us the common times when the event happen together. And HCF, highest common factor. This is the largest number that divide each number exactly. For example, someone asked to find the HCF of 12 and 18. So we divide 12 and 18 with the numbers as far as possible. As we can divide 12 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. And we can divide 18 with numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factor of 18. Now in these factors 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factor. Here 6 is the highest common number. So this is the HCF, highest common factor. And there is another way through which we can also find out the HCF. We divide the 12 and 18 and keep dividing and stop when both cannot be divided. And after that we multiply these numbers. And in this way we can also find out the HCF, which is again 6. Let us now we discuss the significance or applications of HCF. HCF divide the things fairly into equal parts. For example, we have 36 apples and 48 oranges, and want to put them equally in baskets without mixing. To equally divide the 36 apple and 48 oranges, we have to find out the HCF. Here the HCF of 36 and 48 is 12. So each basket will have 12 apples and oranges. Thanks for watching and please comment if you have any question.